Good afternoon, Warriors. Today is Tuesday, the 17th of April, 2018. Taking a look at our homework for tonight. First and foremost is in math. We've got our air prep number 2. Remember, next Monday and Tuesday will be our state assessments for math. All right, for this assignment tonight, it is located in Google Classroom. This is a no passes allowed assignment. It must be submitted to Problematic before your math class starts tomorrow. Written work does not need to be turned in, but you should be using the strategies we have been practicing in class. This is a 16-point assignment. See me in Warrior Time if you need help. In science, we are collecting our money for Malabar Farm. That will be coming up here in about 4 weeks. We'll be going on a Friday. In social studies, we need to study for the Africa map quiz, which will be coming up on Thursday. Language arts, there is no homework this evening. And in literature, we are reading our AR. Half our points are due this Friday. You need to be filling out your reading log daily. And also, you have a figurative language worksheet that is due on Wednesday. All right. Big note of emphasis down here at the end, just in the other information, is as of today, several of you are playing unapproved online games during school and have been getting strikes for doing so. Beginning today, if you are caught playing an unapproved game while at school, even if it's from 7:30 to 7:45, you will get a lunch detention instead of a strike. For repeat offenders, discipline may be increased. Please use your Chromebook for educational purposes only. Remember, at the beginning of the year, you signed a form agreeing to do so. If you have any questions, you can ask any of the 6th grade staff members. That's it for today. Have a good one.